Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get pre-sales in Ticketmaster. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Ticketmaster app. So once you tap open your Ticketmaster app, you need to simply tap on all the consent button and get your Ticketmaster account created or signed up. So once you have signed up into your Ticketmaster, you need to now sign up for the mailing list from venues, artists, and event organizers. Once you join the fan club as well, you can get different offers for pre-sales. So in your message box, simply tap on the link that has your pre-sales ticket. So simply tap on it and tap on get early access of ticket during pre-sales. After doing this, you can successfully purchase your pre-sales ticket of any concert you want to attend. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.